Good morning, students. In the last class, we have studied what do we mean by molecular formula. We will just recall about that. A molecular formula is which is giving you the information like how many number of atoms are present in a given molecule. Like H2O. This is the molecular formula of water. We said that there are two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Both are combined to form a water molecule. Okay? Now today we will learn how to write the formula of compounds. Formula of compounds. See, what is a compound? Two or more elements. If they combine, we will get a compound. Like hydrogen is a single element. When it is mixed with oxygen, then what we are getting? H2O. Hydrogen is an element, oxygen is an element. It is combined to form a compound. More than two elements, we call it as a two or more than two, we call it as a compound. Or mixture of elements is called as a compound. Now here, how to write the formula of a compound we will be learning today. Now how to write this? Already I have told you this in your 8th standard criss cross method. You all remember that? Crisscross method. Criss was a scientist who has introduced how to write the formula of certain compounds. For this purpose, you need to learn some valencies like sulfate means SO4 2 minus, sodium ion Na plus. I have given you the table also last year. Sulfate ion, sodium ion. In order to write the formula of the compound, you need a positive. Here plus is there. Plus indicates the charge is 1. Here you may write or may not. Okay. 2 minus indicates the charge is negative. Hence, a positive one we always call it as cation. A negative one is called as anion. Okay. In order to write the formula of the compound, you need a cation and an anion. Some list I have given you. Like mono electropositive ions, divalent electropositive ions, trivalent electropositive ions, tetravalent electropositive ions. Similarly, mono electronegative like minus, I have given you nitrate, nitride, sulfate, like this. Okay, you must always remember those ions. SO4 2 minus, Cl minus. Okay, not only sulfate, you have PO4 3 minus, phosphate ion. Okay, sulfate ion, phosphate ion. What more are there? Chloride ion, Cl minus. In case of Na, like cation, H plus. Next you have K plus. Okay, like that you must remember these ions. In order to write the formula, you need both cation and an anion. Now let us say simple examples. Say Na plus. Plus indicates I haven't written any number here. That means there is 1. Next is Cl minus. Here also minus indicates there is 1. Now look at here. First you need to write one cation, one anion. Next again write the symbols NaCl. Here put a cross mark like this. Okay. The charge. How much is the number we want? Okay. 2, 1, 10 or something. Write like this. Na minus we won't write. Plus or minus we won't write. Only the number we will write it downwards. Here the charge is 1. I have written the charge of Cl minus 1. 1 I have written it down. Now I have kept cross here. The charge of Na must be written below Cl. Okay. Here it is 1. Hence I have written like this. The charge of Cl should be written at the down of Na. Hence I have written 1. No minus plus. Only the charges. 1, 2, 3. The number I want. Okay. After writing Na1, Cl1. Now if 1 is there, you can remove it. NaCl. Okay. A sodium ion and a chloride ion combine to form sodium chloride. This is a compound. 2 different elements are there. Yes or no? Hence, sodium and chlorine both are combined and you are getting sodium chloride. Okay? Let us say another one. Ba2 plus. SO4 2 minus. One cation, one anion. Now again write BaSO4. Just simply interchange the charges. How much is the charge? 2. How much is the charge? 2. Okay. Now look at here. Ba2 SO4 2. This 2 belongs to both sulfur and oxygen. Hence, you must write it in the brackets. Okay. Now look at here. Both are 2. It can be divisible by 2 table. Hence, don't write in the exam by 2. I am showing you. 2 how many times? 1 time. 2, 1. Okay. Like this, if they are being divisible, then you can divide, or otherwise leave it. Don't divide this 4 and 2. 4 is for oxygen. Okay. Now, as it is divisible by 2 both, BaSO4 is the compound. Okay. Barium sulfate. Next one you see. NH4 plus. SO4 2 minus. I have a cation and an anion. Now look at here. Don't remove these numbers. NH4 again you write. SO4 again you write. Cross. Okay. How much is the charge? 1. Write it here. How much is the charge? 2. Okay? NH4, keep it in a bracket. SO4. Ammonium sulfate. What it is? Ammonium sulfate. Okay? I will give you some compounds. Do it in your homework. Mg2 plus Cl minus. Okay? Mg2 plus SO4 2 minus. Mg2 plus CO3 2 minus. H plus SO4 2 minus. H plus Cl minus. Al3 plus Cl minus. Okay? All these things you do it for homework. How many I have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the formula of the compounds using crisscross method. Okay, children? Just simply minus means there is a charge 1. Okay? Like this. You do the crisscross method and find out the compounds. Write the names. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you.